Hey there, folks! You're about to discover something that will revolutionize your journey in woodworking and crafts. The link to furniture craft plans will be in the video description and pinned in the first comment, so stay tuned. With furniture craft plans, you'll have access to over 9,000 woodworking plans for furniture and crafts. It's an amazing opportunity to enhance your skills. What makes this product even more special are the advantages it offers. An easy-to-search catalog, complete blueprints, materials lists, and colorful instructions, you'll have everything you need to create the furniture of your dreams. And there's more! Furniture Craft Plans goes the extra mile and includes exclusive details that will take your woodworking skills to the next level. It's the little things that make all the difference. And the icing on the cake? Furniture Craft Plans offers a solid 60-day guarantee. If, for any reason, you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. Zero risks, folks! So, if you're ready to turn your hobby into something incredible, Furniture Craft Plans is the way to go. The link to get Furniture Craft Plans is in the video description and pinned in the first comment. Don't miss the chance to improve your woodworking skills and create amazing pieces. Click on the Furniture Craft Plans link now and start working wonders with wood. Don't let this opportunity slip by. The world of woodworking is waiting for you. Click the link and start today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. Until next time, and good luck with your woodworking projects.